Hello everyone. Today we'll do question answers. We'll cover the chapter the first empires, the Mauryas and the post-Mauryan period. Let's begin with very short answer type questions. What was the capital of the Empire of Maurya? Patliputra was the capital of the Empire of Maurya. Which kingdom was famous for pearls? The Pandyan kingdom was famous for pearls. Who was the first ruler of Mauryan dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya was the first ruler of Mauryan dynasty. What was the language of the Ashoka's edicts? Prakrit was the language of the Ashoka's edicts. Which war was the turning point in the life of Ashoka? Kalinga War was the turning point in the life of Ashoka. Short answer type questions. What do the Indika and the Arthashastra tell us about the Mauryas? The Indika tells us about the social, political, and economic conditions of Mauryan India. The Arthashastra describes the administration of the Mauryas. When was the Kalinga War fought? Why did Ashoka attack Kaling? The Kaling War was fought in 261 BC. Ashoka attacked Kaling because it controlled the land and sea routes to South India and Southeast Asia. Why was the Silk Route called so? Why did the rulers try to control the Silk Route? The Silk Route was called so because silk was the only item traded through that route. To get share in the trade profits, many rulers offered protection to the traders against robbers. Long answer type questions. Why was the Kaling War a turning point in the life of Ashoka? The Kaling War was a turning point in the life of Ashoka because death and destruction that he saw in the war made Ashoka very sad. He vowed not to fight any more wars and devoted his life to serve his people. What welfare measures adopted by Ashoka? Some of the welfare measures adopted by Ashoka were as follows. He built good roads and planted trees on both the sides of the roads. He also built hospitals and rent houses. He regularly went on tours and tried to solve the problems of his people. How did Kanishka patronize Buddhism? Kanishka was a patron of Buddhism. He honored Buddhist monks and donated money to build monasteries. He organized an assembly of Buddhist monks in Kashmir for discussions related to Buddhism. Short notes. Kingdoms of South. The Cholas, the Cheras, and the Pandyas were the three powerful kingdoms in South India. The Cholas ruler from Orayar, the Cheras from Vanji, and the Pandyas from Madurai. The three kingdoms often fought against one another. The Silk Route. It was the main route through which the Chinese supplied silk and other goods to the other part of the world. It was the most important trade route. The route started from China, Central Asia, West Asian provinces of the Roman Empire. Besides silk, India exported pearls, textiles, ivory, and precious stones.